So now I'm going to glue these flaps, so make our beautiful tighter gift box cover. Here goes. Remember, we always start with these extended ones. This is fully out. Always work your glue on the surface, not directly on your self-healing map, so that you don't introduce rough surfaces from the glue. Your self-healing map. The other side now. Yeah. This glue dries fast. And it's clean, it's clear. You can work very quickly with it. I'm just going to put a little bit extra here. Now take this, work on the edges. Work on the edges here. See, I've trimmed off those excesses. See them? You see them? Okay, I'll wipe my hand clean here. I'll start with this one. I started with smoothing it. Work on the flaps here. Push it back. Press it down firmly. And this goes inside. Work it out. Smoothing all the creases. Okay. There you have a professional finish. Work on this side too. Work quickly because they're already drying up. Smoothing it, smoothing it, smoothing it. Every step of the way, smoothing it. Okay, put this down one by one. Push it properly into the crevice and corners. Work on this too. Shade this edge. Careful so it doesn't tear. Use your fingernail to push it in. It's nice to have a little bit of fingernail for this kind of work. Okay. Smooth this along the edges. Okay. Smoothing it, smoothing it, smoothing it. Good. Now the last two flaps. Put down some lines. Now smoothing it. Let them touch the edges because we have to fit properly. The excess, just put it here. Slightly. We'll come back to that. Gently so it doesn't tear. Put some here. I'm still gonna put some itself just to make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna let that dry. Spread it properly. This too. Spread it out. The outer edge. Where it dries faster. Spread it out so that it dries faster. Okay. I'm cleaning my fingers here. Gently. And cover this on the other side. Okay. Want some breeze over it. Okay. You can fix it now. Gently. And push this in. That's a beautiful one. And this too. A nice, beautiful golden cover. Use your clips to hold it a little bit. And in place. Open it a little bit. That's the cover. Shouldn't be too tight. You see how even the lines are? A professional finish. a beautiful professional finish. So we have this tighter cover, we have the spacious cover, we have the base. Everything looking nice. Nice.